Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Kids, this is the part 2 of solar system, name a planet. Kids, now we are going to discover our other planets. Kids, we landed in space safely. Are you ready? Our first planet is Mars. Welcome to Mars, the red planet. Scientists think there might be a water here. Maybe one day people will visit Mars. Next is Jupiter. Wow, look at Jupiter. It's the largest planet in our solar system and has a big storm called the Great Red Spot. Next is Tron. Check out Tron and its amazing ring. Did you know the rings are made of ice and rock? Next is Uranus. This is Uranus. It is the coldest planet and it spins on its side. Finally, Neptune. It is a windy planet and it's the farthest from the sun. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. See you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel Chroma Kids Creation.